Today, we're going to show you exactly how to do a listing description step by step. So we're going to go ahead and get into it. Okay, so what you're looking at is the dashboard here and our 4 great tools. And so again, we're going to be doing listing description. So we're going to hop right into that. And this property is 600 Northwest 66th Street, Kansas City, Missouri. And so I just found this off of Zillow. So the cool thing about the listing description is we can select the tone, right? So this is more of a, I would say it's a nice house. It's listed for $375, but I would say relaxed and casual is probably going to be the best tone to go for this type of buyer. So this also is the Sound Like Me feature. This is a section that you'll fill out on the onboarding process. It's a series of prompts to where you type and it will sound exactly how it's a series of prompts that you'll type and you'll answer, and then the AI will start to understand how you communicate, and then it will sound directly like you. So we'll go ahead and find property and turn this feature on. Yes, that is the property. So then it prompts you, does this information look correct? Yes, it does. The reason we put that is because sometimes there's bad data in here. And so you being the real estate agent are going to know the most about the property, and you can put the correct data in here. So, but with that being said, I don't know if that property data is correct or not. This is data off the MLS, so it's pulling directly from the MLS and also other sources as well. And so it is correct most of the time, but sometimes, as you know, some real estate agents don't put the right data in there from the previous. So are there any details you would like to add? We can say anything. So let's focus on the location of this home. So now it's going to craft a listing description based off of the house itself, and then also I said focus on the location, so we'll also add in a more emphasis on the location because this is located in a pretty convenient and cool spot right next to the highway and right off 169. You can get about anywhere you need to within a 10-minute time frame. So okay, and then it generates the description, and then also it will tell you conditional logic here. I crafted the description by opening the welcome introduction, so very cool conditional logic there. And let's say you want to add additional details in here, you would just type in whatever details you want to add, and then it would regenerate for you. But let's go ahead and expand this, and you're going to have, boom, here's your listing description. And then it's still kind of going in here and saves you hours of time writing a very thoughtful description that sounds like you. And then also you'll have the directions. This was a highly requested feature from real estate agents because we've heard that real estate agents don't like writing their directions. So yeah, with that being said, we can come in here and edit this. So if we don't like how it says, welcome to the property name or street, we can come in here and take that out and say this home, and then we can save that. We can copy and paste that to our clipboard and paste it directly into the MLS. If you notice, we've categorized these out at the description, directions, and then agent information to where you will fill this out on the onboarding section, this agent information, that it makes it easy to copy and paste and put this information into the MLS. So then we could either lengthen it or shorten it based off of how long we want it to. So I'm going to say shorten it, so then it will regenerate. We could regenerate the whole thing completely, so we'll go ahead and regenerate. So we'll wait for it to go. Now it's regenerating here, so if you didn't like the way it was worded, it's going to try it in a different way, and then now it shortens the description. So that is a very cool, that's kind of the gist and the basic of the listing description. This should save you anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour on every property that you do. So pretty cool little feature, and the more you use it, the more it's going to sound like you and learn what you like and what you don't like. So thank you for coming to the listing description, and we'll see you on the next one.